Ozzy, what you think? Blizzard bass? Yeah, bud. All right, guys, we're rigged with some P-Line Tactical. I upgraded to P-Line Tactical. I just think that we're going to be in these sticks and stuff, and that one was rubbing. I seen some fray, that's why I broke. So that's the final rig. It's beautiful. Of course, I always add a little bait fuel to my stuff, but that's just me. A lot of people are like, you don't need that, that's stupid. And I'm like, go screw yourself. Anyway, we're out here searching for a bite. Ain't found nothing yet. Been here just a few minutes. It's about 3 in the afternoon, 3:30. Anything could happen. Jerk baits, Netter Dyer. Right now I'm Netter Dyer, and just because, you know, I Netter Dyer. I Netter Dyer because I Netter Dyer, you know what I mean? Because I'm Netter Dyering. If you Netter Dyer and I Netter Dyer and everyone Netter Dyers, then we'll catch a fish. You know what I mean? Ozzy, we gonna catch something, bud? We gonna catch something, bud? Come on, Osmond. Come on, Osmond. Oh, my Osmondton. Can we catch a bass? Me and my little buddy. 53. Man, they should be biting, y'all. They should be biting. Granted, haven't been here for a minute. Fresh lake, fresh take. Don't even know what's going on. 53, I think they start to be moving around eating stuff. That'd be my guess. How about you, Osmond? What do you think, bud? Come on, Osmond. Searching for a bite, me and Osmondton. Searching for a bite anywhere we can. Me and Osmondton. Searching for a bite. We'll get one tonight. A nice bite. That would feel right. Yeah. Got him. Got him. Oh my God. Feels the right one, guys. Feels like the right one, guys. Feels like the right one, guys. Oh, yes, we're out here in the blizzard. We're out here in the blizzard. Oh my goodness, y'all. It is a freaking orgy, buds. Man, look at that thing. Netter Dyer, tree, Osmond. That's what's up, guys. Let me snap a quick photo so I can cry a little later on. We're out here in the blizzard, guys. We're out here in the blizzard. 10 seconds. Go. Move, Ozzy. We're talking blizzard bass, y'all. Hit blizzards and we catch bass. Right, Osmond? Right, bud? That's what's up. Bam. Yes, guys, we got that. We got footy. We got footy, Osmond. husband. I don't know what happened there. Felt like something nibbled it. Nibbledorn. So I'm just gonna keep plucking, guys. Keep on plucking. The trick is to just keep trying to get into the right areas where they're at. There's a lot of twigs right here and some grass. I mean, I have a feeling we can get another bite right in here. I don't think, I mean, that one fish was in 6 foot, so. The question is there more in 6 foot? Don't know. Did they lead us astray? Don't know. Literally, don't know. That's the fun in it. Figuring them out. So, see another twig up here. Nice corner twig. Let's land in the biggin's mouth. Or not. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, baby, I got it, I got it, baby. I just wanted to land in the biggin's mouth. I just want to land in the biggin's mouth. I'm not really utilizing the live scope right now for anything. I'm kind of looking around. Just at the grass and stuff. There's a lot of grass right here. I feel like I should be throwing my jerk, which we're gonna go to next. The jerk bait. See, sometimes you check the scope and then you hope, you know. Scope, hope. Throw me a rope. There's some nice rocks and different structures here, different shelves. Good point. Oh God. God, that felt good. We're in the right juice, guys. We're in the right juice. We just gotta find them. Just gotta find where they live. I think they live everywhere, but that's just me. What do I know? There's a giant. Oh, God. Around the sticks. The face. That's how you guys do it, okay? That's how you do it. Whether you got a boat, whether you got a kayak, whatever you got from the shore, just remember. That's what we're looking for, right, husband? Right, bud? Look at that thing, guys. Look at that thing, guys. Look at that thing, guys. Yes. Told you guys, that's exactly what we're trying to do. That's exactly what we're trying to do. I flipped up there to a nice crevice. He had me wrapped around some sticks. blam. You know what I'm saying? Blam. Now that could have easily been a big giant female, you know what I'm saying? That was a little male, little peckerhead, but doesn't mean there ain't a big mama sitting there with him. So I'll throw in there a couple more times. Sure felt like big mama. But that's how we do it, guys, right there. I'm with you guys, I'm with Osmond. We're out here on a freezing cold. It just blizzarded 1.5 feet. Look at that osprey carrying a dang fish, a giant fish, by the way. That was like a freaking 2-pounder. That osprey just came by just telling me, I whooped you. Oh God, I'm hooked up, guys. Oh God, guys, I'm hooked up. Hooked up. God, we're hooked up. We're freaking hooked up. We're freaking hooked up. Freezing cold. Fuck around and find out. Yes, Osmond. What a boy. What a boy. Oh God, I just had another one, you guys. Something's happening. It's happening again. It's happening again. I was sick. Guys, Ned Rigs, winter blizzards, it's snowing right now on me. And that's what's happening. Number 5, we got a limit, guys. We got a limit, guys. Let's see if we can get some more, guys. Yes, Ozzy. Yes, bud. Yes, bud. Yes, bud. Yes, bud. Oh, God. Alright guys, today's amazing. Blizzards. Don't be afraid to get out. They were canceling tournaments today. They were doing all kinds of crazy stuff. You know what I'm doing? I'm catching them. That's unbelievable, Ozzy. Unbelievable. Way up shallow. Way up shallow. Yes! Man. Let's get back up. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, guys. Number 6. Number 6. Yeah, I said that right. Number 6. Netediah. Follow me for all your tips. Let's catch more fish. There we go, guys. Off the rocks. Off the rocks. Oh, yeah. Good one, guys. Good one, guys. Yes. That's where we get off the rock, guys, on a blizzardy day. Osmond, what you think, bud? Oh, man, guys. That's awesome. Once again, Ned with the jewel baits just gets it done for me. That's a pre-spawn fatty too. Look at the belly on that thing, guys. Look at the belly on that thing. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you for tuning into this blizzardy day. We caught 6 bass. We upgraded. Netted was a trick. I tried to crank, I tried to jerk. I couldn't get nothing. I didn't try a swim bait, but we're going to load up and get out of here. Keep it heavy. Alright guys, we're packed up. Whew. The snow is melting. The mud is coming out.